Hi, I'm Candace Capsosha. I am the manager of the Cerebral Learning Assistance Center at Bergen Community College. I'm here today with Katie, who is a BCC student and also one of the office assistants at the Tutoring Center. And we are going to show you how you can make an online appointment for tutoring and then how you can attend your appointment. So Katie's going to share her screen and let us know how students go about this.
Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to my.bergen.edu, and then you're going to go over to Cerulo Learning Assistance Center tab over here on the right. And then you're going to click on that. And so as Candace had mentioned, I am also an office assistant. So this is my profile. I'm just going to switch over to my student one. And what you're going to do is you're going to search availability if you want to make an appointment, and then you're going to click Tutoring Center. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click whatever class you need tutoring in. For example, I take anatomy, so I'm going to click that and then search. And I'm going to, you have a choice of a few different tutors. I'm going to go with Stephen. And for the reason, you're going to click one-on-one appointment. And you're going to press save. Then you're going to go back to the main menu.
So I just want to interject and say, then that's it. You're set for your tutoring appointment. So you can book appointments up to 2 weeks in advance. So if you're just looking to book the appointment for sometime in the future, you're all set at that point. But now Katie set it up so she was booking an appointment that's available immediately, so we could show you what that looks like too.
And then what you're going to do is, as soon as you book the appointment, about 15 minutes before your actual appointment, this link right here is going to pop up. You're going to press on that link, and then it will take you to a waiting room, and you'll just wait for your tutor right there.
And that's through WebEx. So if you want to download WebEx ahead of time, you can do that, and that would be helpful so that you'd be ready for the appointment. But like Katie said, 15 minutes before your appointment time, that blue link will pop up, and that's what you click on to get into your appointment. And you can look below. Katie has some other appointments coming up, and can you just show them the little X there? There's a little X
right there.
and that's what you would click if you want to cancel your appointment. So let's say you made an appointment, but you were able to finish your assignment and you don't need any more help. Up to 1 hour before the appointment time, you can click on that X and cancel your appointment and free that tutor up to work with somebody else.
Okay.
All right. Katie, was there anything else that you think would be necessary to share about this?
I think maybe canceling an appointment that that might possibly be helpful. So what I'm going to do here is, let me see. I want to try to cancel this appointment right here.
Oh, it's too late because it's less than an hour.
Okay, so
in that case, you would actually have to email the tutoring center to let us know you want to cancel. And you can reach us at tutoring@bergen.edu, and you can do it that way. The other thing I wanted to mention is when Katie went in to make an appointment, she had a choice of 2 different centers, and she chose Tutoring Center. There's another one there called ELRC, that's the English Language Resource Center, for students who are enrolled in the American Language Program or for whom English is not their native language. So you can use either center. A majority of students are going to choose the Tutoring Center, and that's for students from all Bergen locations. And again, if you have any questions, you can send an email to tutoring@bergen.edu. And I think that about sums it up. What do you think, Katie?
I think so.
All right. Thank you, guys.